Top 3 fish every diabetic should eat. Lower blood sugar. Are you a diabetic looking for delicious and healthy ways to manage your blood sugar? Look no further. We're diving into the top 3 fish that can be a game changer for your diet. Fish is a fantastic source of lean protein and healthy fats. These nutrients are crucial for managing blood sugar levels and promoting overall health. Plus, many fish are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which have numerous benefits. Omega-3s can improve insulin sensitivity and reduce inflammation. This makes fish a powerful tool in your diabetes management arsenal. Let's explore the top 3 choices. Salmon is a nutritional superstar, rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These fats help regulate blood sugar and improve heart health, a major concern for diabetics. Aim for wild-caught salmon when possible for the best nutritional profile. Salmon is also a great source of protein, which helps you feel full and satisfied. This can prevent overeating and keep your blood sugar stable. Try grilling, baking, or poaching salmon for a healthy and delicious meal. Don't underestimate these little guys. Sardines are packed with omega-3s, vitamin D, and calcium. Vitamin D is especially important for diabetics, as deficiencies are common. Sardines are also a sustainable and affordable option. You can enjoy them straight from the can, add them to salads, or grill them for a flavorful snack. Their small size makes them easy to incorporate into your diet. Mackerel is another excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids and protein. It has a richer, more pronounced flavor than salmon, making it a great alternative. Choose sustainably sourced mackerel whenever possible. Mackerel can be grilled, baked, or smoked. Its firm texture holds up well to various cooking methods. Be mindful of portion sizes, as mackerel can be higher in calories than other fish. Looking for ways to incorporate these fish into your diet? Try grilled salmon with roasted vegetables, sardine salad with whole grain crackers, or baked mackerel with lemon and herbs. Get creative and experiment with different flavors. Remember to pair your fish with non-starchy vegetables and whole grains for a balanced meal. This will help keep your blood sugar levels stable and provide you with essential nutrients. Always consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian for personalized dietary advice. Incorporating these top 3 fish into your diet can significantly benefit your diabetes management. From improving insulin sensitivity to reducing inflammation, fish offers a wealth of health benefits. Ready to take control of your health? Subscribe to our channel for more diabetes-friendly tips and recipes. Share this video with your friends and family who might benefit from this information. And most importantly, talk to your doctor about incorporating these fish into your personalized meal plan. Let's work together to manage diabetes and live a healthier life.